The purpose of this student panel is to hold an informal discussion with current students to learn more about what it's like to be a student in our program.
I knew that I wanted to have a professional journey with cannabis. And so looking into various programs, this was the only one that hit the top of my radar. It's unmatched in what it can provide. It's unmatched in what we are learning.
Being a part of this program, a first ever program, like what Katrina said, is something that I couldn't be more proud to be a part of.
Joining this program was very fitting by marrying both of my skill sets of community organizing among an academic institution, as well as learning more than what I had already known. And this program definitely offered that, especially when it came to the sciences, the pharmacological sciences, that I was lacking in my professional development.
We have students that are physicians, we have scientists, we have those who have not been in the industry before, that we have those in the industry, and furthermore, we have students all over the world. And so there's not one starting point that everybody starts from. And I think that the best thing about this program is that it establishes a baseline for education, a broad base of education for everybody.
The professors are absolutely amazing. I think it's a very appropriate workload for a professional.
This is such an amazing experience, and
the fact that the program, it's about cannabis, but it almost has a human focus versus a plant focus. And that human focus, that is the key.
We're not just learning about cannabis here, we're learning about how the human body reacts to drugs in general. So this is a true school of pharmacy program in that sense, but of course inclusive to all different backgrounds, because this is an emerging science, an emerging industry. So there's a lot to learn, and we're all learning together in the process.
This school has done such a great job in being able to make the information, these heavy scientific terms, they've been able to break them down into bite-sized pieces so that people that do not have that sort of background, they are able to munch and get that same meal that everybody else is.
This program affords people tremendous opportunities that would otherwise not be possible, I believe.
Keeping in touch with your classmates, being as collaborative as possible, even if it's not a group project, is very beneficial. There are many ways to keep connected or stay connected with your classmates.
I think that if we all unify, since we're all in different backgrounds, we can make a major change. So networking, leveraging, it's the best thing to push for cannabis change.
Despite COVID happening, we have still had some of the world's leaders in cannabis medicine. And so that includes Dr. Raphael Mechoulam, the guy who first isolated THC, Dr. Dustin Sulak of Healer, Dr. Paloma Layfeld of Vireo. We have had, and the list goes on, we have had so many people that have participated and presented and teaches us, lectured us on material that you can't find that kind of thing anywhere else. And so that's to put a value on that is kind of difficult.
I really think that if anyone wants to learn about cannabis, that no matter what their background is, they need to take this program, because you will learn so much.